Hey man.
Hey YouTube. This time we're racing.
Let's see if the new school can beat the old school.
Yeah, we're gonna see what they do. Highway gears versus semi-highway
gears. Yeah. Don't forget to turn your GoPro on. I'm gonna beat Lane. Make it quick! On you! All I can think, no! Monica!
No! Monica!
Aggressive. Good job, girl. Show that Ellis what's up. If it had different gears, I think it would be a different story.
Yeah. Oh, it was like it was hanging in the same spot. I just wasn't gaining nothing.
No, if you wouldn't have spun, it might have been a little different too.
What
do you think, man? Oh, that's Lane's brother, Dustin, by the way.
Hello.
Be just ahead of me and see if I can reel it in. Because it's either going to be really close or you'll start to walk away.
We could do like a roll. We could roll race like a bunch of losers.
Yeah. Hey, whatever. If you like roll racing, but be hard on your shit. Ain't no bitch ass bullshit going around here.
Racing from a dead stop actually proves something. Roll racing is just proves that you don't know how to leave the line.
Yeah, fuck. Well, it's dead. Let's do it again. Pardon the bad footage because I'm about to shift with the Dustin, counter down. 3, 2, 1, go! I might have left a little early. Now when I'm gonna have to put power adder on for when that thing's got a big old turbo on it. Even when it just gears, it'll be gone.
Yeah.
I think it technically makes more horsepower than this car.
Yeah, I don't even know. That's an 06, that one?
06
oh, LS, yeah.
I love fast cars, man.
I know. So much fun.
Good shakedown run.
It's loud in there.
Oh, especially revved that high. Good girl.
They're not rubbing anymore.
Perfect. You need gears.
I need gears. Were you pinned that like when you were just hang with?
When you started to just walk away, there was all that she had.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was well over 100 kilometers an hour.
So yeah, up like highway gears, I'm walking away.
But yeah, with the re-gear.
And even like that, because I grabbed my second overdrive shift, bogs me hard. Like,
yeah.
I just like, oh. Well, I'm sure you can hear it. Like I'm revved up. I shifted at 5,500.
This thing's pretty noisy inside, revved at 6,000 RPM too.
See, I could probably carry it out a bit. I'm shifting at 5,500 still.
I'm bouncing limiter.
And I could probably take it out to like 6 grand before I shift it.
Yeah, you probably could. You're just being nice to your new baby. Kinda
nice.
Yeah. Kinda nice.
I haven't really driven it nice.
Yeah, well, we made it to Mexico and back.
Okay, so I'm taking my mom for a ride in the car, and I'm going to film it. So, this should be fun.
And Grace likes it?
Grace loves it. It's her like favorite thing right now.
Her race car, so she's mad when you go?
Way better today than it was.
Yeah, I think it's something.
I got it figured out. I had a hose hooked up wrong, so it
was... Yeah, it is loud.
So apparently the old school Mopar is a little bit faster than the new school LS right now.
Yeah.
It's got bad gears.
The LS has got longer legs. 273s versus probably
372s or something like that.
Well, probably not even that much. Probably like 350s. That low. But I ran them on when we did the top end runs,
Well, I hit kilometers an hour, 100 kilometers an hour, it would walk away.
But from the line, it wasn't even, I couldn't even compete.
No, I've got a welded diff, so I at least have traction. That thing doesn't have any traction whatsoever.
Yeah.
But now we know. I felt good about it, but the moment this thing gets a whirly, boy, I'm freaked. Or even just gears and a thing, because the stall in that torque converter will outlaunch me.
He may go faster, but I get better fuel mileage.
I'll buy a lot. All right, love you, bye.